Hello, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be talking about how to make money with Shakepay. If you are new to the channel, kindly think about subscribing and liking the video. It will really mean a lot to me. So, how do we make money with Shakepay? Number one way is through shakingsats. Shakingsats is a feature that Shakepay offers where you can go into your app daily, shake your phone, and just by shaking your phone, ShakePay will give you some money in the form of Satoshis. Satoshis are just small amounts of Bitcoin, right? And you literally receive that just by going into the ShakePay app daily on your phone. Now, the goal of this is to do it consistently every day. You don't want to miss a day because you want to try and build up your streak. So you want to go from 1 day to 1 million days without missing a single day. And if you're able to do that, every day you go in, your satoshis that you get rewarded with will increase, right? And once you hit 1000 days, it's capped at 1000 satoshis per day. But you want to make sure you don't miss a day, and you just keep getting rewarded with satoshis every day. It starts at around 40 satoshis up until 1000 satoshis. Like I said, after 1000 days it gets capped at 1000 satoshis, and then it's 1000 satoshis every day after that. And the great thing about that is you earn it just by shaking your phone. And this is, I guess, ShakePay's way of getting you to log into the app daily. So you get a daily reward for logging in. So that's number one way of making money with ShakePay, through Shaking Sats. Number two way is through the Shakepay prepaid Visa card, and you get cash back. So once you set up your Shakepay account, my referral link will be in the description of this video, which you can use because to be able to do the Shaking Sats, you do need to be referred. So you can use my referral link, which will be in the description of this video. But with the Shakepay prepaid Visa card, once you set up your account and you get verified with Shakepay, you can get access to the Shakepay Visa card. And then you can transfer money from your bank to your Shakepay cash balance. And any money that you have in your Shakepay cash balance, you can spend through the Shakepay Visa card. And any purchase you make with the Shakepay Visa card, you get cash back. Now, initially, you get a 3% cash back up until your first $3,000 worth of purchase or within your first 90 days. But after your first $3,000 worth of purchase or after 90 days, the cashback becomes 1%. But literally on every transaction you make, you get some cash back. So that's the number two way you can make money with ShakePay, through cashback. And currently, I've made over $400 in cashback on my ShakePay prepaid Visa card. So that's the number two way of making money with ShakePay. The third way you can make money with ShakePay is through the Shake Squad. So, and that leads us, nicely from the ShakePay prepaid Visa card, because with a Shake Squad, anytime a member of your squad uses the ShakePay prepaid Visa card, ShakePay will reward every member of your squad with bonus Satoshis, right? Bonus Bitcoin. And so to start a squad, you can either start your own squad and get your friends to join your squad, which would require you, I guess, to get your friends on ShakePay. Um, or you can join an existing squad. Now, if you want to find existing squads, I'll give you a tip. Go on to the ShakePay Reddit or the ShakePay Discord. There are always people looking for new members to join their squad. And so once you get started with ShakePay, you create your account, and you get it verified and you're ready to go. Um, Go to the ShakePay Discord and you can join a squad there, or you can start your own squad. And anytime a member of your squad, like I said, uses their ShakePay prepaid Visa card to make purchases, every member of your squad will get rewarded with extra Bitcoin. So it's an incentive, a group incentive for you guys to use your ShakePay Visa card for purchases. Now, that leads me on to the next way you can make money with ShakePay, which is through referrals. Because if you don't have a squad, one of the ways you can set up your squad is to refer your friends to join ShakePay, right? So, anytime somebody joins ShakePay through your referral, ShakePay, well, once they join and they buy their first $100 worth of crypto, ShakePay will give you an additional $20 for that referral. So you will get $20, and the friend you referred will get $20, but they must sign up with your link. So that's a great way of making money with Shakepay as well, because you get incentivized and you get rewarded for everybody you refer. But that person must make a purchase of $100 worth of crypto once they sign up for you to receive that reward. So that's number four way. Get your friends to sign up and join, and you get an extra $20. Like I said, if you want to get started with Shakepay, my link will be in the description of this video, because you will need that to be able to get the shakingsats bonuses, right? And then once you're started, you can start sharing your own referral link with your friends to get the referral bonuses. So that's the fourth way of making money with Shakepay. Number five on how to make money on Shakepay, the fifth way is through Shake Paid. Now, Shake Paid is when ShakePay randomly selects a purchase to be refunded in Bitcoin. So, any purchase that you make with your ShakePay prepaid Visa card actually stands a chance to be refunded in the form of Bitcoin. So, and I've had this happen a couple times. I think I've made about $50 in Shake Paid bonuses, where purchases that I've made in the past have been randomly selected by the Shake Pay team, um, and they refund it to you in the form of Bitcoin in your Bitcoin wallet on Shake Pay. So that's the fifth way you can make money with Shake Pay, or make money on Shake Pay. And again, it's another incentive for you to use your prepaid Visa card. And it's right now I've fully switched to using the ShakePay prepaid Visa card. I used to use my bank debit card for most of my purchases, but I realized that I can actually accumulate a lot in rewards, in money, in bonuses, in Bitcoin by just using my ShakePay card, my Visa card, in the form of cashback, in the form of Shake Paid, in the form of shaking sats. Well, you don't need your Visa card to get that, but the bonuses and Shake Squad, the bonuses you get just from using your Shake Pay Visa card can really add up over time. Um, I know people. I mean, I've seen people on Reddit rather who have made thousands, like 2 to 3 thousand, even close to $5,000 just from using the Shake Paid feature alone. I mean, the Shaking Sats feature alone. Now, add on top of that all these extras, with the cashback, the Shake Squad, the Shake Paid, the referrals of your friend, and so on and so forth. It can really, really add up, if you maximize, these features with ShakePay. So that's number five. Shake Paid is the name of the feature. Anytime you make a purchase using your ShakePay Visa card, you get a chance to receive that money back, um, in the form of Bitcoin, and that will be credited directly to your ShakePay Bitcoin wallet. So those are the ways you can make money on ShakePay. If you're not already on ShakePay, like I said, my referral link will be in the description of the video that you can use to get started with ShakePay. And yeah, get on board, get signed up, get your Visa card, and get shaking, baby. All right, thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.